Hi, I'm Jennifer. Are you trying to earn money online without much success? Is there always more month than money left at the end of each month? Then you should consider the rewards in affiliate marketing. One company called Clickbank has over 8,000 products where you can earn commissions. Now, you're probably wondering what's in this ebook that's so special. First, it's called Simple Clickbank Affiliate Marketing. The contents include how to use Clickbank as the affiliate platform to find niche products, how to look for products which provide a solution to pain, how to use a certain free software to spy on advertisers, how to cloak an affiliate link with a free WordPress plugin, and how to drive traffic with Bing ads. Overall, it would take you several weeks or months to research all of this yourself, but you can get it free when you qualify. Just fill in your details now,